Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look that you see right here. It's just a little bit of purple to brighten up my day because it's been a while since I've used color on my eyes. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching so you can see how I created this look, and make sure you like my video and you subscribe to my channel. Oh my gosh, I haven't been outside and the sun is so blinding because I have like these white cars in front of me. But yeah, anyway, so this is the look I'm gonna be creating. Let me know how you like it, and if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching. So I'm just going in with my Neutrogena SPF that I always apply underneath my foundation, and I am grabbing a generous amount and just applying that. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil, and I am applying it as my eyeshadow primer, just gliding that onto my lid. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab a Morphe brush and blend that all over my lid to create an even canvas. It doesn't have to be a Morphe brush, you can have whatever. Now I'm grabbing the Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia in the shade of Believe. And with the same brush that it comes with, I am applying that to my crease and blending that in as much as possible. Now don't mind the people sleeping in the back. That's just my life, you guys. If I ever get a spare moment to film for you guys, is probably gonna look like this, unfortunately, because I got babies, I got kids, and you know, life is tough for a mom. But we make it. Now I'm going in with a Creamy Radiant concealer from NARS, and I love this concealer, you guys, because it does come with a perfect applicator to create that cut crease. As you can see, I am opening my eyes like a weirdo because I want the creamy concealer to transfer on the top of my lid, just so I know where to end the crease cutting. Now I'm taking it back to the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I am using the shade of Urban. It's just that pretty purple shade that you see me applying here on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm kind of just packing on that shade right now. I'm not really blending it out. I'm just, well, first, now I am blending it out, but at the beginning I was just packing that onto the outer corner of my eye, which is very important because I want to maintain most of this pigment out there and blend in on the crease. Now I'm just going back in with the concealer, and I am cleaning up any mess that I may have caused. And as you can tell, you guys, I am not going all the way out. I am keeping that crease cut midway, following it with a liquid eyeliner. And I'm just speeding through because this was an old liner and it took me a long time to apply it. If you would like a video of me applying eyeliner or showing you how I apply my eyeliner, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I will definitely get to you. Now I ran out of my white eyeliner, so I went ahead and I picked up a creamy concealer that I had in the shade of white, and I went ahead and I used that as my white eyeliner, which is why my eyeshadow creased up a little bit later on throughout the day, but it's all good because I wasn't really going anywhere. I'm just lining up right above the black eyeliner, and you just want to mirror that black line. And if you do go over it like I did, just go ahead and go over it with some black eyeliner to clean it up. Then this is a trick, you guys, that I've been kind of doing lately before I do my foundation, and I've been applying the MAC Prep and Prime transparent finishing powder onto my face, and I've just been powdering the shit out of my face right before I apply my foundation. I did apply that with a sponge. Now I'm going in with my MAC bronzing powder, and I believe this is in the shade of Golden. I'm using the Morphe M400, and I am just beating the shit out of my face. Second, I am picking up the NYX Professional Makeup Blush Hamptons, And I am using the same brush to apply that onto my face. And I'm really just packing on that color, you guys, because I was looking so pale. I needed some color. Now I'm going in with my Morphe eyeliner brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And I am doing my eyebrows, nothing new. I am gonna kind of skip through this part also because I have videos on how to do your eyebrows. Then I am going in with my favorite highlighter. This is from Anastasia and it's by Amber & C, and it's just the prettiest highlighter. I'm applying that on the highest points of my face, like my nose and my cupid's bow, my cheekbones. Then I'm just going in with the brown lip liner. I forgot what brand this was. I forgot to put more Urban from the Electric palette on my lower eyelid. Now I'm back to my lips and I am using the MAC lip gloss. And this is their special edition lip gloss. I forgot what it's called, but it says it's A29. Then I'm gonna go in with my Grace Avila lashes, and these are in the style Marilyn. These are so pretty, you guys. Let's look at the difference just by putting lashes on. How pretty my eyes look already. Then I'm going in and putting in a little bit more of that Urban Purple, and I am finishing that up with some setting spray for my face. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys.